All right, so in the last video, we did the outer arms bands. Now we're doing the inner arm bands. It's a lot easier to get access to it when the client is lying on their back, because then now, arms open, you have easy access to all three of those bands. We a little bit had some work on the inner thumb band. We did work it when she was face down. So you can just see how easy it is now. It's right here. It's readily accessible. It still have a little bit of tension. I might want to use the tool a bit here. Full deep breath. Starting right at the tip. Okay, not so much there. Let's come a little bit more on the side edge. We can actually isolate the thumb here and put the tool right in there. I didn't notice this at first, but her nail polish matches our sheets. Okay. When you're using the tool, we're going to have a separate video on how to use the tool in future course modules coming up in this program. But you can see you can use part of your hand. We've got two hands. You can use them to any kind of way you can. So I just kind of get her fingers out of the way, and then I can just focus the tip of the tool specifically on the inner thumb band. And she's reacting less and less to it. So that must mean the tension's dissolving because she's not experiencing any pain anymore. So that is a good sign. Now we have the hinge point of the inner wristband, sorry, the inner thumb band. Put a little bit of oil. And don't be afraid to move your client's arms wherever you need them to be so you can get better access on the area that you're working. Just do it again with care and tenderness. You can move it slowly and softly, carefully. Okay. So here, now we're coming up in the lower arm, the forearm. We've already excavated from the tip with the tool, with our thumb, with the tool and our thumb here. And now we're just going to continue it up. I went pretty quickly this way because I didn't feel any congestion. I didn't feel any blockages. So now, if I wanted to use my forearm, I could. Full deep breath. Okay. Not really necessary, not a lot of tension here. I do feel a little anomaly now here. When I come up to the elbow, if I do a little bit of an elbow rotation, it's not making a very easy circle or ellipse. It's not always going to make a perfect circle, but some sort of elliptical motion. I feel right here on this part of the inner thumb band, there's just a little more resistance. So I think there's a little bit of a blockage here I'd like to excavate. So we're going to take a look at that now. Right at the hinge point where the lower arm meets the upper arm. Whew. And again, I think this might be occupational because she's in the same profession as us. Doing a lot of massage. This is her, that's her gripping part. You can feel when she's making a squeeze, it engages those muscles there. An RSI, a repetitive strain injury or repetitive strain tension, RST. So the ellipse is happening a little bit better now. And as one area softens up, then you start to notice other areas that are tight. It's usually the most pronounced tension. You know, the squeaky wheel gets the grease. So the most tight area gets worked, and once you take away that tension, then the second most tight area will start to become the most pronounced. And then you got to take care of that. Now we can come up into the upper arm. Yeah, there's a few bands that are congested in our upper arm here. So that's why I'm doing like a clamping type of grip, so I can get mirrored bands and work them at the same time. So here I'm getting the inner thumb band and also the little finger scapula band. Now you notice when we first put our arm down, it was more like this, okay? Because the tension was kind of pulling the arm straight, but then we removed the tension, look. You see how the arm actually a little bit even hyperextends at the elbow. It didn't do that when there was the tension there. The tension held it right here. We removed the tension and now it surrenders more. So again, immediate feedback of our results, which is something I really love about our style of massage. You can help people immediately. Hey, you got a problem? Let me make a difference in your life. Well, I can do it in 5 minutes.